Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to unbox these second set of M100 6.3 pistons. These are not mine. I was contacted by one of the viewers to see if I could help him facilitate getting some pistons for him. He's located in Germany and he said it's okay if I do a little unboxing video so we can inspect them at the same time before I ship them out to him. So these are made here in the Carolinas, I think, North Carolina, by Mahle Motorsports, same company that did mine. And as I've said before, they have all the specs for the M100 6.3 engine, because I sent them a connecting rod and original piston some time ago, so they can get the relationship from, you know, rod size, wrist pin to top of piston height and all that stuff. So essentially you can just tell them what size you want and you're good to go from this point on. So these one are 103.5 first repair size for the 6.3. Mine were 103.75, a little bigger. But let's open this box up and see what comes in, and I'll talk about how much it costs and all that stuff. Yeah. So Mahle is obviously the maker of the original Mercedes pistons, so keep with the originality aspect. So let's look at one of the pistons first. I'm going to weigh them as well, so keep my gloves on, make sure everything stays clean. Okay, shorter skirt than the original. They do have a skirt coating here. And flat top, high compression pistons at 103.5. It's stamped on the side here. Okay, so we'll compare that with one of the originals in just a second. So obviously got a set of those guys in the box here. These, I believe, are the wrist pins, gudgeon pins I should say. Oh, these are all the little clips to hold the gudgeon pins in. So obviously 16 of those guys. And again, I will compare this with an original 6.3 piston or wrist pin from the original 6.3, and these are a little beefier actually. So this is what we were waiting for. We were a little delayed. This normally takes 6 to 8 weeks. We were a little further than that because they were waiting on the wrist pin. So you get obviously 8 of those guys. And then the piston rings will be in this box. And also the paperwork talking about piston ring sizing for application. So they come in and easy to read. Move that out of the way. Obviously first, second and third for the oil ring setup, so it's very easy, very straightforward, so there's no confusion there. And these are the, I believe, 1mm piston rings. Obviously with all modern metallurgy nowadays, they've improved them so much. And then it comes with a pamphlet about ring gap positioning on the pistons, and also sizing depending on your application. And all that good stuff. And so very easy. So I'll pop those back in there. Okay, typical, I can't find my scale. I have a scale around here somewhere to weigh them, but now from my memory, the new pistons weigh in at around 530 grams. So 530 grams on this, and the originals are more closer to 790 grams. So that's quite a difference, you know, 250, 260 gram difference. And with that, obviously with that lighter weight, you're going to have the rotating assembly balanced for these new pistons. So that cost me around $400 to have that done on my engine. So that is something you want to consider. And just to give you a comparison there, let me show you taking into consideration this extra skirt. I'm just going to give you a rough measurement here. From top to the bottom of the skirt is 97.5 mil. And now we've got a reduced skirt height of 67.1. So quite a bit of a difference on the skirt height. The piston to wall clearance on these 3/1000 plus or minus 3/10,000 I believe from memory. So 3/1000 a fairly tight tolerance, but these are low expansion alloys in this new piston setup, I was told from Mahle, and they're they're forged pistons, obviously. As far as the wrist pins, this is an original wrist pin from one of these pistons, the originals, and you can see the end there. Okay, so basically it's thinner at the end here, and then it tapers thicker here, right here. And on the new ones, it's thicker all the way, essentially. And because of the configuration of the piston now, they're slightly shorter in length. And I've been told by Adam at Mahle Pistons these are rated for 800 horsepower, so obviously we're not anywhere close to that. So yeah, and for a set of 8 of these with pins and rings runs in at around $1,850, and I think that's a very competitive price, especially if you're comparing with buying Mercedes originals. If you could ever find them, I think they're running around 500 a piston, so a substantial savings there, and you are getting Mahle pistons. So pack all these up and ship them off to Germany. I hope you enjoyed this little video for the benefit of you guys, and also for the new owner of these pistons. He said he'd like to see them anyway. I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me get all these packed up safe and sound and get them shipped off to Germany. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Please hit like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. All right, bye-bye.